My name's Laura Spaulding, and I'm the CEO and franchisor of Spaulding Decon. We've been franchising for a little over 3 years now. We have over 20 locations. I get a lot of the same questions over and over, and part of my franchise staff used to be franchisees for another brand as well. I decided to make this video to better break down the process for you, because if you haven't gone through this before, it can appear complicated. Hey guys, today I want to tell you what an Item 19 is in franchising. Inside the franchise disclosure document, there are many items. The Item 19 is of big importance, and here's why. You will find the financial performance data of all the franchisees in the system in the Item 19. This could be gross sales, it could be EBITDA, or it could be a combination of the two. There's no real standard of what you have to put in there, but you do have to put the entire collection of open stores in a franchise system. Now, say you're looking at a particular system that does not have an Item 19, which means they are not divulging financial performance data. There could be two reasons for that, in my opinion. Number one, maybe it's a very young system and they just don't have enough data yet to be able to put performance numbers. Any system that's probably under 4 or 5 years is not really going to have enough data, in my opinion. Now, Spaulding Decon is putting out an Item 19 this year as we're entering our 4th year in franchising. Now we have enough data to be able to put performance information for potential candidates to review. The second reason why someone would not have an Item 19 if they are not a newer franchisor is perhaps the numbers just don't look good. If the numbers are not favorable for a franchise system, they can completely ignore the Item 19 and not put anything in that area at all. If they do not have performance data inside the franchise disclosure document, they also are not allowed to give you, verbally or in writing, any type of performance data from a franchisee. The franchisee can give you their monetary data, but the franchisor is prohibited from doing that without that particular disclosure inside the FDD. When you are reviewing a Item 19, it's important to look and see if the numbers are collective or the numbers are broken out per location. If you have a system that has 100 locations, you're obviously going to have a top 10%, a bottom 10%, and then everybody else in the middle. It's really important that you don't focus too much on the bottom 10%, because that is likely the people that are underachievers, maybe working part-time, not aggressive, not motivated. There's a number of reasons why they are at the bottom 10%. You can find out that answer easily by calling them during a validation call. You'll notice when you talk to the bottom 10%, they'll answer your questions very differently than the top 10%. The guys or gals that are in the top 10% of the franchise system are doing everything right. They're following the system, they're doing their marketing, and the plan is working for them. Everybody else in the middle is trying to get over that mountain, and the bottom 10%, well, just frankly, there's a bottom 10% in every brand, whether you're McDonald's, you're Subway, or you're part of our system here. I hope I explained what an Item 19 is to better assist you in evaluating a franchise system.